After Effects is a compositing software that allows us to work on any file containing information about audio or video data. In this training section, we are going to watch how the software works directly using it. So the first thing that we have to do is to create a composition. Here on the top menu bar we have the composition menu. So we click on the composition menu and then we click on new composition. Here we have a preset that allows us to create a composition for video web whose size is 320 for 2 and 40. Square pixel means that the pixel has a base of 1 and the height of 1. The frame rate is 15 frames per second. Here below we have the resolution menu. That means that we are working in full resolution, about 320. That means that we are using all the pixel in the composition. And then we have the start time code at 0 second and 0 frames, and the duration of our composition is about 30 seconds. In the preset we have also the opportunity to choose different presets. We can choose any preset about NTSC or PAL or HDV or HDTV. It depends on what kind of composition we are going to create. If we don't find a solution that satisfies our need, we can create just a custom composition, and we can put here inside all the information about the composition we are going to create. So let's start with a PAL D1DV composition setting with an aspect ratio of 1,07. This means that the aspect ratio of the pixel is not square, so the base is 1.07 and the height is 1. We are working in full resolution and the duration of our composition is 30 seconds. We confirm with OK, and so we created our composition. We said that After Effects is a basket for any kind of file that contains information of video or audio data. So we need now to import this kind of file. We have three opportunities to import directly within After Effects. The first opportunity is right click inside the project window and then click on Import and File. The second choice is here in the File menu, directly in the Import File. And the third option is with a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-E, directly with the keyboard, Ctrl-E. Now we can navigate through our disk and then choose the folder where are the file we need to load. With a video we also mean any kind of file that contains visual data, so also a still image is video data files. So we load the first file, Ali 056.jpg, open, and here we have the file with information about that. The file right now is only in the project window, not yet in the composition. To load the file in the composition, we have two choices. We can drag the file directly onto the monitor here, or we can delete, just pressing the delete button on the keyboard, or we can drag the file onto the timeline. The difference is that when you drag the file onto the timeline here, the files appear directly in the center of the monitor. In the other case, the file will be positioned where you want directly with your mouse. But when you load the file directly on the timeline, you can also move it wherever you want, just clicking on the file and on the image and dragging it wherever you want.